Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how can we see the top 5 of representatives who is performing well in each country. For this purpose we are going to utilize the compare table and a little modification in the SEO equal table. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's create the dashboard. Let me create the blank dashboard. Let me name it as top 5 rep. Okay, next let me create the query. Let me utilize the DTC opportunity data set. Here we are going to see for each country who is the top 5 representative. So first let me group it by country. Next we need to see by representative. So I am selecting account owner. And based on the amount we are putting the rank. So I am selecting sum of the amount. And it is only based on the win opportunity. So I am selecting stage is closed on. Let me add this. Okay, so now we can see the billing country. It is grouped first level of grouping and second level of grouping is the account owner, and it is showing the corresponding amount. But we need to see the top 5 of account owners who is performing well. So let me change to compare table mode. For this purpose, we are going to utilize the window function, that is ranking, in the compare table. So let me add the new column. Let me click add formula. Let me name it as rank. I'm going to apply the rank within group function. So we are going to utilize the sum of the amount column. Based on that we are going to rank, and I selected the rank function. Why I select descending, it is already selected. We can leave it as it is. For higher amount we are going to allocate the lower rank, and the reset group is billing country. Let me apply this. So now we can see rank got applied. Done. Let's edit this. But the rank, we need to put it in the ascending order. So let it order this. Let's put sort within group ascending order. So now we can see rank is in the ascending order, but if we can see in the other grouping, we can see more than 5 ranks. But if we just need top 5 ranks, for that we need to edit the SEO equal. Let's go to the query mode. And let's filter it here. Result equal to filter result by rank is named it as B. So B is the identifier. We need to show the B only if it is less than or equal to 5. Let's run the query. Okay, now if we see the preview, we can see only top 5 rank. Okay, update this. Let's go to the chart mode. So when we are shifting from the compatible mode to the chart mode, it automatically selected the suggested chart. So here we can see only the billing country and the top 5 rank. Let's drag and drop in the dataset dashboard. So now we can see country and the only top 5 performers. So this is how we can achieve top 5 representative in country using the compare table and little modification in the SQL table. Thank you for watching the video.